This is the Calico Critters Red Roof Cozy Inn. It comes with one of the little figures. It's a little bunny girl. She's wearing a little dress. She's super cute. There is an additional bunny family that you could purchase with it too. That's sold separately. It's the cutest little house, and what I love about these little houses is you can actually buy other ones and put them all together and make like a huge mansion. So there's similar ones that look like this that are sold separately, so you could keep building and adding on to make your own little house. It comes with a few little furniture accessories. It comes with like a kitchen table, a bed, I think a chair. Not too much, but there's tons of sets that you could buy separately to fill up your little new home with and make it your own and decorate it however you like. It has tons of cute little features. I love the look of it. It reminds me of like vintage little toys that I used to play with. And it's just super adorable. Calico Critters are so cute. You can get a family of your favorite animals. They have everything from different types of dog breeds, like a Labrador family or a Husky family, or you could get a little chipmunk family or a skunk family. There's so many different little critters that you could get, and they're absolutely adorable, and I recommend them for all different ages.